Chapter 4. Measure your success to boost your motivation. Remember, what you focus on grows. That's right. Where you focus goes, energy flows. I don't want to sound lyrical, but these two statements are absolutely correct. The fact that you feel small, powerless, unattractive, and are convinced that you're not going to amount to much in life all flow from what you choose to focus on. You focus on your negative beliefs. They get bigger and bigger until eventually they define your reality. They are all you see. Everything that you perceive around you are filtered through these negative beliefs, and you feel smaller, less powerful, less capable, and less confident than you should. It all boils down to this basic principle of what you focus on grows. Isn't it times that you focus on positive things? Stay focused on your positive beliefs. In Chapter 2, I helped you identify the positive things happening in your life. I also help you trace these positive things to positive beliefs you have about yourself. Stay focused on these. What do they say about you? What do they say about your values, about your priorities and your character? Ultimately, what do they say about your purpose? Again, this may feel like they're small and almost insignificant. I really can't blame you for thinking this way because you haven't been focusing on them. They haven't had the opportunity to grow and become top of mind, but they're still there. Now is your chance to focus on them so they get bigger and bigger. Kick around the questions I raised above. Keep asking them to yourself until the answers become clear. Use your positive beliefs as your personal North Star. Everybody has a North Star. Seriously, it's as if we have this invisible compass that we carry around with us and it directs us to our life's directions. Be clear about your positive beliefs and constantly refer back to them. Keep them top of mind. Draw comfort from them. By focusing on them, they become bigger and bigger, and it becomes easier for you to feel comfortable the moment you start thinking about them. Eventually, you will reach the point where you will be able to draw energy from them. You might think that you're a good singer. A lot of your friends might say that you have a great voice. That's good enough. Stop belittling yourself by saying, "What does my singing voice have to do with me being a good employee or a good leader or a good public speaker?" The fact that you believe enough positive things about yourself to be a good singer is good enough. You are worthy. You are capable. Now isn't the time to focus so much on that positive belief that it spreads to all areas of your life. This is how you draw energy from your positive belief. This is how you turn it into your North Star. Acknowledge the fact that your positive beliefs produce results. No matter how small your positive beliefs may be, and no matter how seemingly insignificant and meaningless they may appear to you, they do have positive results. Going back to the singing example, when you sing a nice song and your friends smile at you and give you fist bump or pat you in the back, feel good about that. Feel good that it produced a positive result. You may be in a small space, there might not be too many people around, but the fact that you were able to make something positive happen is enough for you to feel good. You perform well in that specific situation. You can choose to perform well now. You performed well in the past. You can start to perform well now. If this is clear to you, one key realization should sink in. It should become loud and clear to you that you are able to positively impact your reality. People send you positive feedback. Again, it doesn't matter what the activity is. The fact that you're able to produce something positive is enough. Focus on the positive beliefs that enable you to do that. Grow them. Draw comfort from them. Get them to pump you with their energy.